Find each rate and unit rate. Rate has the units. The unit rate is just the number. When we are finding rates and unit rates, we always use time on the bottom. So it should say like miles per hour or meters per second. The time is going to be on the bottom or in the denominator. So for this one, we should have 420 divided by 7. 7 goes into 42 6 times. So this is 60. So our rate is 60 miles per hour, and our unit rate is 60. In part B, we have 360 customers, and then the time goes on the bottom. We can divide out a set of 10 on each of those, and then 3 goes into 36 12 times. So the rate is 12 customers per day, and the unit rate is just 12. This one is going to be meters per second. So you figure out what the value is of 40 divided by 16, and this one should be meters per second. Sometimes you will see it written as meters per second like that, and then write the unit rate as well. Then do the same thing for cost per pound. Figure out what that rate is, and it's going to be dollars per pound. Pound is abbreviated as LB. And then tell me the unit rate also. Number 2 says write 3 ratios that are equivalent to the one given. A ratio of right-handed students to left-handed students is 18:4. If we were to simplify this, just like we would with a fraction of 18/4, we can divide out a 2 on both of those. 9 times 2 makes 18, and 2 times 2 makes 4. So an equivalent ratio may be 9:2. Or we could go up as well. We could multiply by 2, and that would give us 36/8. So 36/8. We could also do by tens, and that would give us 180/40. You could do 100s, you could be doing 1,000. As long as you do the same thing to the top and the bottom, or in this case the left and right side of the ratio, they will remain equivalent ratios. Don't forget to fill in with your work here, 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 and here.